reviewing my Nutella slime. Yeah, I tried to make this professional, so I thought you guys just wanted to see it. So, yeah. Also, sorry you guys, I haven't been posting so long. By the way, Happy New Year, guys. And let's just get on to the video. Okay, moving on with the Nutella slime here. It kind of sticks to the container. Let's just see how good the pokes are. Oh my gosh, they're so good. Oh my gosh, it's so good. I mean, it's really thick. I mean, it's really glossy, you guys. It actually kind of smells like Nutella also, to be honest. What the heck? So, it's actually so far so good. So far so good, and I'm now just gonna like flatten it and see how good the bubble crunches are. And I'll be also ranking this. Wow, you guys, the bubble crunches are quite good. I mean, it stretches quite well. So yeah, I think it's pretty much good. Just for like a random slime that I made. Also, you guys, I also added an add-on, which are these little well, charms. We got a waffle one and a chocolate one. Anyways, so that's pretty much it. Also, just, you can guys leave off this video, but if you want to stay if you want to see my ranking. Okay, so time for the ranking. Pretty much for it, I would say the ranking for it is probably just like a 9 out of 10. The only thing I kind of wished is if only the charms weren't so big for my small self. And yes, and like, see, they don't really fit into the slime, I mean. Yeah, they don't really fit. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. And now I'm just having trouble putting off the slime from this. Okay, so please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Bye guys. See you guys in the next video.